We'll try to understand Sambandh Karak. The Ra, Re, Ri. And if I put a dot here, it will be a Ri. Ka, Ke, Ki. And we put a dot here, it will be Ki. Na, Ne, Ni. I put a dot here, it will be Ni. So, all these are Karak Chihin. How are they used? See? Mera, Mera, Meri. And if I put a dot here, it will become Meri and Mere. So, there will be 1, 2, 3. And when I put a dot here, 4. Ra, Re, Ri and Ri. Ka, Ke, Ki and Ki. Na, Ne, Ni and Ni. Mera, Meri, Meri and Mere. Hamara, Hamari, Hamari, Hamare. Tumhara, Tumhari, Tumhari, Tumhare. Aapka, Aapki, Aapki, Aapke. Inka, Inki, Inki, Inke. Unka, Unki, Unki, Unke. Iska, Iski, Iskin, Iske. Uska, Uski, Uskin, Uske. Apna, Apni, Apni, Apne. Here, Mera, Mera is masculine singular. Meri is feminine singular. If I put a dot here with the Ri, it becomes Ri. So it becomes feminine plural. And Mere, the A ki matra here, becomes masculine plural. Now, the Ra, Re, Ri will be used only with Mera, Hamara and Tumhara. We cannot say Meka or Hamaka or Tumaka. They are no words. And here, the Ka, Ke, Ki will be used with these 5. Aapka, Inka, Unka, Iska, Uska. We cannot say Apra, Inra, Unra, Isra, Usra. They are no words. And the Na, Ne, Ni will only be used with Apna. Many people will feel Apna. Apna is no word. Aapka is a word and Apna is a word. You can see the difference. There's a A here and there's a here. So now we read these words. Mera, Meri, Mere. And the fourth one is, if you put a dot here, it becomes Meri. Hamara, Hamari, Hamare. I put a dot here, I say Hamari. Tumhara, Tumhari, Tumhare. I put a dot here, I say Tumhari. The same with all the others. So I just read what's written here. Aapka, Aapki, Aapke. Inka, Inki, Inke. Unka, Unki, Unke. Iska, Iski, Iske. Uska, Uski, Uske. Apna, Apni, Apne. Just use them in sentences. Mera ghar dur hai. I'm saying mera. I'm not saying meri. I'm not saying mere. I'm saying mera. Mera ghar. Ghar is my possession. So it is masculine. That's why I'm saying mera. I could even say hamara. I could also say tumhara. Mera ghar dur hai, hamara ghar dur hai, or tumhara ghar dur hai. Every time I am using ra with mera, with hamara, with tumhara, I am only using ra because here my possession is a masculine. हमारी, हमारी बिल्ली है. So, हमारी, I could say मेरी, but it will end with re. I could say tumhari. It has to end with re. Why? We will be using re in the end of meri, hamari and tumhari because billi is a feminine. So हमारी बिल्ली है. तुम्हारी पुस्तक कहाँ है? Now we see the word tumhari. It has the re in it. So we get the gender of my possession, which is a pustak. So I could even say मेरी पुस्तक कहाँ है? I could also say हमारी पुस्तक कहाँ है? Again, I will end all of them only with re. हमारी, मेरी और तुम्हारी. I can't say तुम्हारा पुस्तक कहाँ. It's a wrong sentence formation. मेरा पुस्तक कहाँ है? No, because पुस्तक is feminine, so I have to use re. Ra, re, ri. Now, आपका घर कहाँ है? When I am using मेरा, हमारा and तुम्हारा, I am using the ra, re, ri. But when I have to use का, के, की, then I have to use आपका, इनका, उनका, इसका, उसका. There are 5 of them. So here, आपका घर कहाँ है? Now again, I am saying का. I am not saying की. I am not saying के. I am saying का. That means the का is written because of the घर, which is masculine. आपका घर कहाँ है? इनकी. दूरबीन. What is the gender of दूरबीन? We get it from here. I am saying इनकी. इनकी दूरबीन है. I could say आपकी दूरबीन है. I could say उनकी दूरबीन है. उनके रुपए हैं. रुपए is masculine plural. उनके रुपए हैं. So रुपए is masculine and it is plural. That's why I'm putting a dot here. हैं. Here I did not put a dot because we are talking about singular. Here I did not put a dot because we are talking about a singular. Because ra, a is singular masculine, a is plural masculine, and e is singular feminine. And if I put a dot here, then it becomes e, which will become plural feminine. Here we read मेरा अपना घर दूर है. मेरा घर दूर है. My home is far away. But here मेरा अपना घर दूर है. My own home is far off. So this अपना घर दूर है is not a complete sentence. I have to connect this अपना with another noun or pronoun. हमारी अपनी बिल्ली है. हमारी बिल्ली है. हमारी अपनी बिल्ली है. तुम्हारी पुस्तक कहाँ है? तुम्हारी अपनी पुस्तक कहाँ है? आपका अपना घर कहाँ है? आपका घर कहाँ है? आपका अपना घर कहाँ है? इनकी दूरबीन है. इनकी अपनी दूरबीन है. उनके रुपए हैं. उनके अपने रुपए हैं. There is a subtle difference in these sentences the moment we add the apna. Apna shows a possession of one's own. One's possession and one's own possession. There's a simple difference in that. We'll read the whole thing once again. मेरा मेरी मेरे. हमारा हमारी हमारे. तुम्हारा तुम्हारी तुम्हारे. आपका आपकी आपके. इनका इनकी इनके. उनका उनकी उनके. इसका इसकी इसके. उसका उसकी उसके. अपना अपनी अपने. मेरा घर दूर है. हमारी बिल्ली है. तुम्हारी पुस्तक कहाँ है? आपका घर कहाँ है? इनकी दूरबीन है. उनके रुपए हैं. मेरा अपना घर दूर है. हमारी अपनी बिल्ली है। तुम्हारी अपनी पुस्तक कहाँ है? आपका अपना घर कहाँ है? इनकी अपनी दूरबीन है। उनके अपने रुपए हैं।